Hello everyone! If you're on the hunt for the best DJI drones for this year, you've come to the right place. We've carefully researched and compiled the ultimate list of the best DJI drone options, taking into account pricing, performance, and various use cases. Stay tuned to find the perfect DJI drone that matches your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for product links featuring the best deals available. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first one on our list is the DJI Avata 2, and it's a great drone for anyone who loves flying action cameras. The DJI Avata 2 is super easy to control. You can move it just by using your hand. No need for complicated buttons. This makes it perfect for beginners and even more experienced pilots who want a simple, natural flying experience. It also has a wide 155-degree field of view, meaning it captures lots of details in the shot so you can enjoy stunning and wide visuals from the sky. One of the best things about this drone is its built-in propeller guard. This feature makes the drone more sturdy and less likely to break if it bumps into something. You can fly it in tighter spaces or try cool tricks without worrying too much about damage. Speaking of tricks, the DJI Avata 2 makes it easy to do flips, rolls, and other fun moves, giving you creative ways to capture exciting footage without needing a lot of practice. When it comes to video quality, the DJI Avata 2 delivers. It uses a 1/1.3 in image sensor, which helps you record sharp 4K video at 60 frames per second. This means your videos will look smooth and clear. Plus, it can shoot 4K slow-motion footage at 100 frames per second, which is great for getting detailed slow-motion shots. If you like creating point-of-view POV content, this drone is also light and portable, so it's easy to take anywhere. However, I think it's not the best choice if you're into still photography, but its flying experience and video quality more than make up for it. Second on our list is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, and it's best for pro video and cinema. The Mavic 3 Pro comes with a 4/3 Co's Hasselblad camera, which gives you super clear pictures and videos. It's able to capture a lot of details with excellent lighting, which is great if you need your shots to look perfect. You can also shoot in RAW format, so you have more control over your photos in editing. The drone is also FAA Remote ID compliant, so if you're flying it in the US, you'll be following all the necessary rules. One of the best things about this drone is its long battery life. It can fly for up to 43 minutes, which is much longer than most drones. That means you don't have to keep worrying about it running out of battery quickly. Plus, the DJI 3 Plus system helps you fly this drone up to 15 kilometers away while still keeping the video feed smooth and clear. Plus, it has sensors all around the drone so it can detect obstacles and avoid them while flying. The DJI RC controller is another highlight. It has a screen built in, which makes it easier to see what the drone sees, even in bright sunlight. The new Vision Assist feature also makes flying safer and easier, especially when you're in the air for longer periods. However, I think the only downside is that the base model only comes with 8 GB of storage. But overall, the Mavic 3 Pro is an excellent drone, with great flight time, powerful cameras, and easy controls, making it a top choice for filmmakers. Next on our list, we have the DJI Neo. It's a great option for beginners or anyone looking for a simple, cost-effective flying experience. At just 135 grams, the DJI Neo is lighter than many smartphones. It's so easy to take with you wherever you go. You don't even need to worry about registering it with the FAA because it doesn't require a remote ID. One of the coolest features of the DJI Neo is the palm takeoff and landing. You can literally take off and land the drone right from your hand, which makes flying even easier. It's perfect for situations when you don't want to mess around with a controller, or if you're in a hurry. Speaking of controls, you don't always need a remote. You can fly the DJI Neo using voice commands or the mobile app, and it even works controller-free. This makes it super flexible and easy for everyone to use no matter how much experience you have with drones. When it comes to video, the DJI Neo shoots in 4K with great stabilization, which means your footage will stay smooth even if you're moving in windy conditions or on a boat. It also has AI subject tracking, so the drone can follow you around while you film, making it perfect for creating vlogs or action videos. With 3 batteries included, you can fly for up to 54 minutes. Plus, the propeller guards will help protect the drone while you're learning to fly. However, I think you need extra controllers to get the most out of the drone speed, but for casual users it still offers great value and fun features. On number 4, we have the DJI Mini 4K. What makes it stand out is that it's under 249 grams, so you don't need to register it in most countries, making it super convenient. The DJI Mini 4K comes with a 4K Ultra HD camera, which means you can take clear, sharp videos even in low light. The 3-axis gimbal keeps the camera steady, so your footage stays smooth and cinematic, even if the drone is moving or in windy conditions. The drone's motors are strong enough to fly in winds up to level 5, which is pretty impressive for a drone of this size. Plus, it has a 10 kilometers video transmission range, so you can fly it further without losing connection. This is great if you want to capture wide landscapes or fly it from a distance. One of the best things about this combo is the battery life. You get 3 batteries, which means up to 93 minutes of flight time. This is great because you won't have to worry about running out of power too quickly. Plus, the drone is also beginner-friendly, offering easy one-tap takeoff and landing. The GPS return to home feature ensures it can automatically return to where it started, which adds an extra layer of safety. And with quick shots, you can make professional-look videos with just a few taps, which makes it easy to create cool shots without being a video expert. In my opinion, it may not have the highest dynamic range compared to more expensive drones, but for its price and features, it's a great option. At number 5, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It is a great option for those looking for convenience and amazing features in one package. The DJI Mini 4 Pro comes with some great features that make flying easier and more fun. It has 4K video quality, so you can record sharp and clear videos even in tricky lighting like at sunrise or sunset. It also shoots vertical videos in 4K at 60 frames per second, which is perfect for sharing on social media or any other project that needs high-quality video. The drone has smart sensors to detect obstacles in all directions. This means you can fly more safely knowing that it can avoid things in its path. One of the best parts is the long battery life. The drone includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, giving you up to 135 minutes of flying time. This is great because you don't have to worry about charging it all the time. It also supports 20 kilometers of HD video transmission, so you get a smooth real-time view of what the drone sees, even on long flights. Plus, the new Active Shots 360 degrees feature lets you customize how the drone tracks objects, making it easier to get cool, professional-look shots, even if you're new to flying. Also, it's lightweight and portable, so you can take it with you anywhere, whether you're traveling or just out exploring. In my opinion, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a great choice for both beginners and experienced drone users. However, the extended battery option, while providing long battery life, puts it above the registration weight limit. Still, it makes up for that with great video quality and easy use. The last one on our list is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a next-generation drone designed for professional aerial photography and videography, offering superior camera capabilities, intelligent flight features, and advanced obstacle avoidance technology. Redefining what's possible in aerial photography, this drone features a groundbreaking triple camera system and a 100-megapixel CMOS Hasselblad sensor. This flagship drone delivers cinematic quality with 6K at 60 FPS HDR video, ultra-wide dynamic range, and lifelike color through the Hasselblad Natural Color Solution. Complemented by 48-megapixel and 50-megapixel telephoto cameras, users gain access to 3 distinct focal lengths, ensuring stunning results from sweeping landscapes to compressed telephoto shots. Each camera supports 4K at 60 FPS HDR recording, along with high frame rate modes for creative flexibility. The Infinity Gimbal offers revolutionary 360 degrees rotation, enabling dramatic aerial shots and dynamic Dutch angles with ease. Paired with Active Track 360 degrees, the Mavic 4 Pro maintains precise subject focus even in low light or partially obscured environments. Its 0.1 lux nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing provides unmatched situational awareness, allowing confident navigation even in urban areas, with poor lighting or satellite coverage, with nighttime return to home and Lyre-enhanced detection. Safety during nocturnal flights is thoroughly ensured. Combined with 51-minute max flight time and a range of up to 30 kilometers through the DJI-O4 Plus video transmission, Users get extended creative freedom with ultra-stable connections. Packed with 512GB high-speed storage in the Creator Combo, efficient file transfers via Quick Transfer, and a 7 inches rotatable RC Pro 2 controller. Every component of the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is built for professional-level workflows. Whether capturing cinematic car scenes, majestic mountains, or intricate cityscapes, this drone is the ultimate tool for creators who demand the best. Ideal for filmmakers, photographers, and content creators, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a powerful companion for elevating your vision from concept to sky. You got it. So that's it for the best DJI drone options in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest